Welcome to Spring Advising 2021 for Architecture and Construction Management at College of DuPage. My name is Jane Ostergaard, and I'm the chair of the Architecture and Construction Management program at the college. We have 3 degrees in our program. The pre-architecture degree for students who plan to transfer and become architects, the architectural technology degree for students who plan to leave COD after 2 years and get a job as a drafter, and the construction management degree, which serves both students who want to go directly into the workforce and those who plan to transfer. The 4-digit codes that you see with each of the degrees are the way the college used to organize all of this information, and they still show up occasionally, so we put them in, but most of the time you'll be able to select the degrees based on their names. It's become more important that you have the correct degree selected. If you receive federal financial aid, it will only fund courses that are part of your designated degree. So in each of the degrees, I'm going to look at recommended classes for first-year students and then for second-year students. The pre-architecture degree and the architectural technology degree have very similar course patterns in the first year. The most important spring courses for both of those degrees are the Architecture 1131 class and the Architecture 1111 class. Both of these classes have prerequisites as noted, but if you don't have the prerequisites but think you're prepared for the classes, contact myself or the instructor of the class that you're interested in taking, and we can review your qualifications. Remember, prerequisites are there because you need those skills to be successful in the class. In the spring, you should also be taking some of your architectural electives and gen ed classes. For the pre-architecture, the electives would be Architecture 1211, the basic CAD, AutoCAD class, which has prerequisite of either Architecture 1101 or 1121 or drafting background. Your second English class, math, depending on where you are in the sequence and where you want to transfer to, and the basic architectural drafting class, again, depending on where you want to transfer to. For questions about that, contact myself or one of the other full-time faculty members in the program, Mark Pearson or Alex Pellicano. It is important that pre-architecture students have CAD skills before the next fall. You must have CAD skills next fall when you go into the second year design sequence. For the architectural technology students, you will have already taken the basic CAD class, so you'll take a couple of more advanced CAD classes. Architecture 1411, which is Intro to Revit, and Architecture 2220, which is the architectural modeling class, the 3D drawing class. For gen eds, you'll take speech. For second year students, you're going to continue with your design sequence with Architecture 2202. You're going to complete your architectural history sequence with Architecture 2203, and then you will also take Architecture 2220, the 3D drawing class, if you have not already done it. For gen eds and electives, the gen ed that is part of the path is physics. Physics 1201 is what is required for all of our transfer schools. And then any of the gen eds that you might be behind on. And then we would also recommend Architecture 1411, Intro to Revit, if you have room still for another elective. By this point, a lot of you will have variations in your pattern based on where you want to transfer to, different classes you may have taken in previous semesters, specific math requirements or transfer requirements of your transfer schools. So don't hesitate to reach out to the faculty to discuss what's going to be the best classes for you. But be aware 2202 and 2203 are only offered once a year. They're only available in the spring, so you must take them then. 2220 is available spring or summer, so there's a little more flexibility with that. Some of the gen eds and electives are better taken in the spring. Others might be a good choice in the summer. For architectural technology students in the second year, your primary classes are going to be Architecture 2240, Code, Specs, and Contracts, and your basic physics class. 2240 has a prerequisite of Architecture 1111, and it's only offered once a year in the spring also. In terms of electives, if you have not already taken it, Architecture 1411, Intro to Revit, Architecture 2260, Construction Estimating, Architecture 1412, Advanced Revit, or Architecture 2150, Basic Surveying. Both the Estimating and Advanced Revit classes are only offered in the spring, and then whatever your remaining Gen Ed classes are. For construction management for the first year students, the most important spring class is building materials. It is the third of your key CM prerequisite classes. You should have completed the other two in the spring, in the fall rather, Architecture 1130 and 1301, and Architecture 1111 will give you the final one of those three. We also recommend that you take Accounting 2140, Financial Accounting. It's required for the degree. Your math class, 1431 or 1115, and math really is a big question depending on where you want to transfer to, assuming you want to transfer. So speak with one of the faculty members to get good guidance on that decision. Then you can continue with the construction method sequence, 1141 and 2142. You should have taken one of those in the fall, take the other one in the spring, and if you did not take it in the fall, Architecture 2150, Basic Surveying. Now, just a note, both Accounting 2140 and Architecture 2150 are math-intensive classes. So if math isn't your strength, this might be something that you want to rearrange a little bit. But before you make those decisions, talk to a faculty member so that we can make sure you're not going to create problems later on. For the second year students, you're really locked into these classes. 3 of your required classes are only offered in the spring, and you typically won't have had the prerequisites for them until this year. So there's Architecture 2240, Code, Specs, and Contracts, Architecture 2260, Construction Estimating, and Architecture 2413, BIM for Construction Management, which is a Revit class. All 3 of those are only offered in the spring, so you must take them. And then completing any of your electives and Gen Ed requirements would be the last recommendation for second year CM students. These recommendations are all based on students who have followed the patterns and been full-time students. For many of you, that doesn't apply. Don't try and make these judgments by yourself. Contact me or one of the other full-time faculty members to review what will be the best choice of classes for you. Transfer institutions have different requirements, especially in terms of math. Many of our classes are only offered once a year. Some classes are more demanding than others. Talk to a faculty member so that we can help you make good decisions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My cell phone number is 630-362-0300. My email is osterg@cod.edu. 630-362-0300. osterg@cod.edu. Have a great spring semester. We look forward to teaching you.